Hi, I'm Darcy Phillips with Eaton. On display here are some of the Pro AV products from Eaton. Right here is a B127A. This is a 4K60 extender. So video extender includes both the transmit on this side and the receive on that side. Our source device is the Blu-ray player right here with the HDMI input going into the transmit. Now we'll notice a whole lot of cable. This is normally a 230-foot category cable extender. However, because we are using this repeater, we are able to lengthen this out to 400 feet. So we have two reels of 200 feet of cable. That's 400 feet total for video extension at 4K60. Great resolution. And that's part of one of the B127A extenders from Eaton. You can find that at triplite.eaton.com.